I'm Starla with Starla Seasonings, Dips, and Mixes, and I'm in from the field from turkey hunting, and Dave has cleaned up the bird, so we're ready to make some turkey jerky today. So we'll do the first couple of steps, and then I'll have to post later the finished product. So my seasonings are fantastic on jerky. Today we're going to use the peppercorn ranch. This one has a nice kind of garlicky undertone to it. If you like a zip, the habanero is excellent, or the mango or the buffalo. And then I've also had great success with the Grandma's Garden and the glorious garlic too. So the first thing we start with is 1 cup of soy sauce. Then you're going to use 1/4 cup of honey, so that you can have the nice sweet. If you don't have any honey, you could use brown sugar instead. And then you have the Worcestershire. This is the hardest word to say. Then about 2 tablespoons of that. And then I like adding a whole packet of seasoning, because Dave and I like a lot of flavor with our food. So you're going to mix that together, and then that'll do about 3 to 4 pounds of meat. So what we'll do is we're going to pour it over the meat, and we're going to let it marinate overnight. Then we're going to spread them out onto the dehydrator trays, and we're going to dehydrate it for 5 to 6 hours. Make sure that it reaches a temperature of 165 degrees, and then it's nice and crispy. We'll be back to show you the finishing product tomorrow. Thank you so much, and be sure to check out the website www.starlaseasonings.com. Happy hunting!